here. Step one, we're breaking down the 7 steps in offering financing. We talked about this on stage in Arizona, and I'm going to do a 7-series drip out on the 7 reasons. We're going to break them all down for you and make it make sense. So today's first topic that we're talking about is the reason to actually offer financing. Now, when I had everybody raise their hand in the room and I was like, who's using it, who isn't? The majority of the room said, yes, we're using it. The challenge is, are we doing it properly? I did a training for a gentleman down in Texas this morning, and yeah, they're offering financing. They have a rate sheet. However, his team doesn't know how to offer it at the point of sale. And that's really key with whomever you're using as a lender, to make sure that your team is getting the proper training on how to sell and offer and doing it early, always, and often, all kinds of the things that we talked about from stage, making sure that you're doing it properly. For the folks that are watching it that aren't, I want to help you understand why. And maybe even if you are offering financing, you'll get something out of this particular training. We've got 7 trainings in the series coming at you, so take what you'd like out of it and adapt. All right, 80% of homeowners finance large purchases, of course. That's why we're offering financing solutions up front, giving them affordability and payment options to meet them where they want to be met, like 18 months, same as cash, or low monthly payment option up to 20 years, no prepayment penalty. Increasing your close rate and your ticket sizes, offering best, better, good, good, better, best, showing them that their max approval is up to $150,000, and then showing them what it costs for 20, 25, and 30. That's part of this whole system. Show them what they actually may want rather than what they think they can afford, right? You look at that $25,000 ticket and you go, man, that's expensive. Of course it is. Not when we can make it $180 a month, Mrs. Smith. And then we get them to spend more and buy the products that they actually want. Okay, removes the price barrier, making home improvement projects more accessible and affordable. That's exactly what financing does. And then, of course, most importantly, it creates a competitive advantage in your marketplace by providing flexible payment solutions. But it's more than just doing it. It's showing it right from your website. What's your call to action? What's your offer? What is the attractive thing on why a consumer would want to sit down with you to do an estimate to see the affordability that you have and what you're offering, okay? So, number 1, positioning financing the proper or the right way. Normalizing financing early in the conversation. Now, this may even mean front desk Becky letting them know that you have a special promotion that you're having right now at your company. Hey, when Tom is out, make sure to ask him about our 18-month same as cash. Like, I don't know how you're looking to buy this thing from us, but when Tom is there, we have an affordable payment solution and it's a promo. Ask him about it, okay? Presenting financing is a standard option, not a last resort. We don't like a salesperson pull the phone out at the end after they've made all their objections to buying and say, well, since you've objected to everything, we have financing. Like, no, that's not how you do it. You do it this way. Mr. and Mrs. Smith, I'm not sure how you're looking to pay. We've got a consumer credit center. We're here to help you with affordability. A lot of our clients like this, a lot of our clients like that. Which one of these sounds interesting? It's scanned a QR code. It's a soft credit pull. And we get you approved up to $150,000 in 5 minutes. And let's see what the options look like. That's how you do it. Early, always, and often. Asking a homeowner, would you prefer a low monthly payment option or 18 months same as cash? Or would you like to pay the whole $15,000? Like, look, I know that you're going to buy from us, but how do you want to buy from us? How do you want us to meet you where you want to be met with affordability? That's what we're talking about. We're not talking about the cost of the project. We're talking about making it affordable, reducing it to ridiculousness, showing them the 18-month same as cash that rolls over to a 20-year fixed, or showing the low monthly payment option with no prepayment penalty. That is how you present it early, always, and often in the sales process. Cool. The power of payment options. It's exactly what we're talking about. Why it works. Well, the homeowners may hesitate on the price tag. $30,000, $50,000, $15,000. Doesn't matter what the number is. Writing a big check is not fun. We need to relieve that pain. We need to take that off the table. That's why we always present in the estimate a monthly payment or the promotion. Demonstrate affordability with real-world comparisons. Tell them and show them what other homeowners in the neighborhood have been doing. Make them feel comfortable about the transaction. And it helps your homeowners say yes faster by reducing the decision friction in the process and the we can't afford it obstacle and objection. Now, in our training that we do over in school, we spend a tremendous amount of time training contractors just like you, just like Chuck does, on handling obstacles and objections. Because even just for financing, we've got 60 different obstacles and objections that you guys face. But is your sales reps trained on how to handle the financing obstacles and objections that come up? Spend a ton of time in training, writing the scripts, getting you to role play, back and forth at the sales meeting. We frame it all up for you. We make it easy for you to build this in your business. Data bank proof. Yeah, we all know the numbers. I'm going to spend very little time on this, but contractors offering financing see up to 50% higher close rates. The top QR list. I don't think there's one contractor in the top 500 QR list, the quality remodeling, that doesn't offer financing solutions. And frankly, the ones at the top, they build in the higher dealer fees because they offer like ridiculous programs like 5-year ZIL, the zero interest loans. I mean, but they're doing it. And that's why the close rates are so high and the ticket sizes are high too, because they're buying more, because of affordability. Average project sizes increase 30 to 40% when financing is available. That's why when they go through our app and they're applying for a $25,000 home improvement, we'll show them immediately what their max approval is for $50,000. Then all you have to do is slide the best, better, good, or the good, better, best tool inside of it to show them the payment options between the three options. They just buy more. We do it as human beings when we go buy an automobile. We think we want to buy a $600 truck, and we walk out of the auto dealer spending $850 a month because we've got approved for it and we justified it. It's the same thing in home improvements. Customers who finance are more likely to add upgrades. It doesn't matter what you're in. If you're into bath, epoxy, siding, windows, doors, roofing, when they see what they get approved for, they will make upgrades. Our system's easy. You could just take it from 20 to 35 to 45 to 50 with a little click, and they don't even have to reapply. It's a soft credit pull. So simple. All right, role-playing exercises. Each one of these trainings that I'm sending this week are less than 10 minutes. The deck is here for you to go back and build into your system. So what are we doing? Each one of these decks that are sent, I'd like you to take the meat and potatoes out of it and partner up and role play, just like you did at the event in Arizona, the little dogfight sessions. Compare your responses. Talk about the cash price versus the monthly payment. Talk about the presentation. Mr. or Mrs. Smith, we've got a consumer credit center. Look, I'm not sure how you're looking to pay, if you'd like to use our money or yours, but a lot of our customers or clients in the local market here are leaning in heavy on this, or they're leaning heavy on that. Out of these two, what's more interesting? Scan the QR code. Let's get you pre-approved. You should have your financing script built into every single one of your presentations. It should be so natural for your sales pros to have the pitch, have the presentation, introduce your consumer credit center, talk about the soft credit pull, instant approval to $150,000, talk about the terms, talk about the promo, answer their questions. That is what you need to role play, because you want to show up differently in your marketplace. You want to be a true differentiator, and financing and these solutions will do just that. Now, again, whether you're using Improvifi or not, go to your lender, grab yourself a couple promos, promotional options, grab yourself a couple of the low fixed payment solutions, and train your team on how to present this. Key takeaway, the earlier you introduce financing, the easier it is to close the sale. We're dropping cookie crumbles from the time that they see our website and our offer and how easy it is to get soft credit pull financing, to scheduling the appointment to ask about our promo, to the sales pitch and presentation from your laminate that your sales reps have that they set on the table, to the demo, to the introduction of what the price is going to be, where we talk about affordability. The earlier you do it, and I train early, always, and often, let them know that you have payment solutions. We will see you on the next training video, number 2. Talk to you soon. And if you need anything, reach out. We are here to help. Talk to you. Bye.